Friends, now comes to the one more video of area of triangles and parallelograms. That is, I am solving exercise number 11.3. So in the previous video I have solved, that is exercise number 11.3, that is ninth question. So now I am going to solve the exercise number 10th question. So see here, the question says diagonals AC and BD, diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at O and prove that area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. Okay, so this is your question. Once again I am reading the question. So diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at O. Prove that area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. So first I will draw the trapezium to clear this example. So this is the trapezium. So this is the trapezium, that is ABCD. This is the trapezium ABCD. I will draw the diagonals AC and BD. What we have to show? We have to show that area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. Just observe the figure. Now we can see the triangle ADC and triangle BDC. So triangle ADC and triangle BDC are standing on the same base DC and between the same parallels AB and CD. Okay, so now we can see what we can see. We can see triangle ADC and triangle BDC are on the same base, that is DC, and between same parallels, that is AB and CD. Means what we can write from this? We can write as area of triangle ADC is equals to area of triangle BDC. So call this as equation 1. So see here, so area of triangle ADC and area of triangle BDC are standing on the same base DC and between the same parallels AB and DC. And we can write that area of triangle ADC is equals to area of triangle BDC. Now what you have to do? Now subtracting DOC on both sides. Subtracting DOC on both the sides means we can write. So now we can see that is area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle DOC, which is equals to area of triangle BDC minus of area of triangle, that is DOC. So area of triangle ADC minus of area of triangle DOC, what we can write? Area of triangle AOD. So we can write area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle, that is DOC. I can write as area of triangle, that is AOD, which is equals to area of triangle BDC minus of area of triangle DOC. I can write as area of triangle BOC. Okay, so see here once again the question. So this is the trapezium ABCD and these are the diagonals BD and AC. Now we can see in the triangle ADC and triangle BDC, so they are standing on the same base DC and between the same parallel, that is DC and AB. And we can say that is area of triangle ADC is equals to area of triangle BDC. This is from theorem 3. And subtracting, that is DOC on both the sides. If I subtract DOC on both the sides, that is area of triangle ADC minus of area of triangle DOC, which is equals to area of triangle BDC minus of area of triangle DOC. So see here, area of triangle ADC and area, that is minus of area of triangle DOC, That is similarly area of triangle BDC, area of triangle BDC minus area of triangle DOC. So area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle DOC I will get as area of triangle AOD. Similarly area of triangle BDC minus of area of triangle DOC I will get as area of triangle BOC. Means I will get the required result, that is area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. In the given figure, ABCD is a pentagon. A line B is parallel to AC, meets DC, and DC is produced at F. What we have to show? We have to show area of triangle ACB is equals to area of triangle ACF. Second one, we have to show area of triangle EDF is equals to area of triangle ABCD. Firstly, we will draw one pentagon. So this I will draw one pentagon, and this I will draw one pentagon from this. So this is the pentagon. So this I will call this as A, B, C. That is A, B, C, and this I will call as D, E, and this is F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, just I will extend the line AC. AC is parallel to BF, and just join these diagonals AF and BC. Okay, now see, now in triangle ACB, and triangle ACF are on the same base AC and in the same parallels, it is AC and DF. So see here, once again, now in triangle ACB and triangle ACF are on the same base, that is AC, and between the same parallels, that is AC and BF. We have, it is area of triangle ACB. Area of triangle ACB is equals to area of triangle ACF by theorem 3. Now add area of triangle ACD on both the sides. If I add both the side area of triangle ACB, so area of triangle ACB plus area of parallelogram, that is ACDE, is equals to area of triangle ACF plus area of triangle ACDE. So if you see area of triangle ACB plus area of triangle ACDE, what we can write? That is area of triangle ABCDE. Okay, I can write as area of triangle ABCDE. Okay, if you see area of triangle ACF plus of area of triangle ACDE, what we can write? AEDF. So area of triangle, that is AEDF. Okay, so see here, so this is the pentagon, so this is AB, that is C, this is a triangle, so these are the pentagon sides A, B, C, D, E, F, and just I am extending from A to C and B to F, so AC is parallel to BF. So now we are having the two triangles ACB and triangle ACF. Triangle ACB and triangle ACF are standing on the same base AC and between the same parallels AC and BF. So we have area of triangle ACB is equals to area of triangle ACF. So call this as equation 1. Now adding both the side area of triangle parallelogram ACD on both the sides. If I add both the sides, so I will get area of triangle ACB plus area of triangle, that is ACDE. If I add this both, I will get as area of pentagon ABCD. Similarly, area of ACF plus area of triangle ACDE, I am getting as area of triangle AEDF. I hope so you understood this concept. Thank you.